Good morning, guys. Yesterday we read the book Where the Wild Things Are, written and illustrated by Maurice Sendak. So, do you remember what happened in the story yesterday? The boy was causing trouble in his house, and his mom sent him to bed without dinner. And then his room changed into a forest. He got on a boat and traveled to where the wild things are. And then he became a king. They threw a party sort of thing for Max. And then he realized how much he missed home. He traveled back home, and his dinner was still hot. So today, if you look around the classroom, what does it look like? It's a forest. I have all of our art supplies set out and ready for you guys. We're going to travel to the place of where the wild things are. You can make a crown if you want to be like Max, or we can make a mask so we can be where the wild things. Then we're going to have our own wild rumpus when we start. So we're going to dance, we're going to sing, we're going to play some music. It's going to be a lot of fun. You guys ready?